project is that the students get indoctrinated into our way of life, our culture. And there are so many similarities between life in the U.S. and specifically life in Texas that they're able to draw on those similarities, figure out what's unique, and leverage that to drive value.
Where did this idea germinate in your mind or your brother's mind?
Sitting down, brainstorming, talking about the good times at Baylor, the good times through Baylor, connecting with major firms and organizations, and we thought, how great to bring this to North Bay if Baylor was willing.
And Baylor is willing. Now, what do you hope to achieve short term and long term?
Short term, we really want to get some insight from folks in the community. This project is a phenomenal avenue or vehicle to gather that insight. So we want to figure out how folks feel about the community, and long term we want to take that information and put in place strategies that will make this community a better place to live and work.
You're a Baylor alum. Baylor's known for football, maybe not business, but you obviously say that's not necessarily the case.
Baylor is well known for football and a popular show called Fixer Upper on HGTV. So Baylor's in the news for a lot of good things, but predominantly it's a research institution known for health sciences, law, and business. And businesses, Baylor's business program, the entrepreneurship aspect is third in the country, in America. So it's a well-known and well-respected school.
And how are they already plugging into North Bay, so to speak, these students?
Oh, they are. They know the lingo, they know the terminology. They've had many hours of calls with folks from this community, and next week they'll be in town to interact with more than 100 individuals to really gather some firsthand insight from individuals.
But the other issue is this. A lot of this is out of the municipality's hands. When the hospital cuts 160 jobs, that's a provincial issue, cutting funding. The Baylor kids can't help with the provincial funding, so how do you try to, how can these kids show the municipality how to get through some of that or get around that, if they can even get around that?
I think that's the best question of the morning and the most important question, and that is we skew higher than other municipalities in terms of being a public employer. So we rely so much on the provincial government in terms of keeping jobs in the city. Long term, is that viable? We might challenge that thought, and instead of riding that wave down potentially, we'd like to figure out how we should compete so that we are viable long term.
Well, this is a board that we set up for economic development, and Kevin sits on this board. So we put this board in place so that we could look at everything from a global perspective, not a local perspective, but a global perspective. Who do we need to talk to? Who's our contacts? Who's our networking opportunities? What business leaders do we need to be able to walk in the door? So those business leaders that sit around this Invest North Bay board, their whole objective is to open up doors for us to be able to walk in and pitch the city of North Bay. Kevin is doing that from an economic perspective with Baylor University, a very well-respected U.S. University, but there's incredible opportunities. These individuals are going to be working on the city of North Bay, will actually be presidents and CEOs of Fortune 500 companies down the road, so you can imagine that networking capability 10, 15 years down the road.